Eo, hanaya kamalama.
Velina, e como mai?
I'm Kimo Kahoano.
I'm Brooke Lee, and welcome to our virtual festival.
The 43rd Annual Prince Lot Hula Festival.
Elina mai nei ke kini o lalo na hoa o ka uka na hele o puna a kahi ka noho ka uai ka kahi noho ka nei ka papai lohia lau ka lohelani a pi ilani la e ala e
Iwe ka puke aloha ka makani ko kololio Ili ka poli na he na Kapuke aloha ka makani ko kololio Pili ka poli na he Ini ki malie
Join us as we take you on a celebration of hope and aloha.
I hope that we continue to watch over each other, to share that spirit of aloha, to be joyful in our thoughts, to be kind at heart, and to share aloha. Aloha I kekahi, have love for one another and build each other up. Hold on, be steadfast to what we believe in and what we love.
From Waianae, Oahu, under the direction of Kumuhula Kamana'o Manoi Hyde, welcome Kalei Ilima Kaupo'o Hivi.
Ai, e kohui ke ahi. E kohui ke ahi.
E ka hui ke ahi la la paua nei neo kana hona a o he mea nai ai ano ka malui ko limae.
Through the art of hula, we will visit the islands of Hawaii, Kauai, Maui, and Molokai.
And the island of Oahu, where we honor Prince Lot Kapuaiwa King Kamehameha V.
Aloha ia kilawe ala Lio ka kelea o ka moanina Holo mamua, holo maho ke la tau Pono I hui ka makani Aloha ia kilawe ala Lio ka kelea o ka moanina Holo mamua, holo maho ke la tau Pono I hui ka makani Hakilua kauahi I ke kaila No mea e ka hula malalola Hala e ka lai o kala aula Oni ala moloka I mamuala
From this treasured place of Wahipana, you will enjoy the classic poetry of our kupuna.
This is our huaka'i, a journey through these difficult times.
This record album shows Kahuanu Lake Trio in 1961, photographed right here in the gardens of the Queen Emma Summer Palace. Two of the songs, Wahine Hololio and Nani Vale Akamahina, are on this first album that Kahuanu Lake Trio recorded.
Please welcome Kumuhula Michael Pilipang and the Haumana of Halau Hula Kanoeau.
ike kako.
Together, we will endure.
Wahine hololio, wahine hololio.